my name is Heather, and we're going to be going over the manager experience. It is well known the number one reason employees choose to leave an organization is due to their manager. So managers play a very important role at your organization. They are responsible for driving employee engagement, developing and retaining top talent across their team in order to further drive success of the organization. Managers need to have the right tools in order to be successful. This includes providing them the ability to work when, where, and how they need to, so they're not forced to jump through hoops to complete these basic tasks. Managers, like your employees, want to work the way they live, and that starts with providing them superior tools like we are showing you today. Having a solution in place that will allow your managers to have continuous real-time insight to their team, stay better connected with their employees, and have access to real-time analytics, leveraging technology like AI and machine learning, will ultimately allow your managers to succeed. So Robert, like most managers, spends the first 15 minutes of his day checking emails, seeing if he has any pending approvals that he needs to take care of, and what he loves is that he has the ability to do that right from his mobile device. So as he comes in here to check his approvals, he's able to see that it's actually prompting him and letting him know that his attrition rate has gone up 10% over the course of the last month. So now he's going to take a look at that attrition report. So as he comes in here, he's able to drill right into his manager actions and pull up the report right from his mobile device. As we come into the attrition report, it's going to give a direct link out to the report, and what he loves is how simple and clean the report is, so it's giving him the exact data he needs based off of the attrition. So from here, what you'll notice is that because he actually was pulling up his attrition report, the digital assistant is recommending to see if he wants to open a requisition report based on those attrition rates. So it's that AI and machine learning that's embedded within the solution that's delivering those recommendations to him. What he also loves is the fact that as he clicks on approval, he's able to see what pending approvals he has. So Robert Jackman, as a manager at Inspire, when he logs into his system, he's able to have access to everything about him as an employee as well as him as a manager. And that's really around our security role-based design that we have within the solution. There's a lot of different areas that he can go to. Where you're seeing here is our quick actions, and that's a place where as he is doing transactions over time, the system is actually going to be learning what those transactions are and serving them up to him so that he has a quick way to get to them. The other thing that's nice is being able to scroll down a little bit further and seeing all the different work areas he has for him that's going to drill into things a little bit more specifically, something such as pay. So he would go there to look at his pay slips, his tax documents. And then lastly, we have up here our notifications. And this is where he's able to actually take action on different types of things that are getting pushed out to him. So whether he needs to approve or reject a promotion, or he has a task that he needs to complete, he's able to do that right from his notification bell. Robert Jackman, as a manager, knows that performance is one of the top things that he needs to be focused on to keep his top talent at the organization. He currently has an outstanding performer, Jacob Black, whom he just left a check-in meeting with. From one place, he can see Jacob's performance details because this is all mobile responsive. Employees and managers can initiate and complete a check-in discussion from anywhere on any device at any time. Check-ins are lightweight, configurable records designed to facilitate ongoing one-on-one discussions. Having these capabilities truly allows managers and their employees to be better connected throughout the year. Jacob exceeded his KPIs by 10% this month and is on track to exceed them next month. Jacob has initiated a mentorship to improve on his leadership skills and effective communication. Talking about Jacob's new mentorship reminds me that I need to head over to see if I have any pending mentee requests. The mentorship program we have here in place at Inspire has had a very positive impact across the organization. It's allowed us to really elevate our culture, promoting personal and professional development, learning, and increased employee engagement. As I head over to see if I have any pending mentees, I'm going to jump into my personal brand. And from here, I'm able to go and see in one holistic view what mentees have requested me as a mentor, and then also different mentors that I'm currently mentoring. I see that I have one request from Simon Gilbert, so I'm going to go ahead and approve that request. The next thing I need to take care of is a promotion. Haixing Wei has been an outstanding performer for us, and one thing that we strive to do is make sure that we are promoting our employees when appropriate to help with the retention. So as Robert heads into the promotion, what he loves is the conversational user experience that's being delivered to him. It really keeps it more human-like, as if he was talking to one of his HR business partners while completing this process. So he's able to come in, enter in the important details of the promotion, and what's nice is that the system is serving up what would be recommended roles based off the current position that Haixing Wei is currently in. As he comes in here to update the job title, what you'll notice is that it's automatically updating the pay grade within that transaction based off of the individual's role. As he heads over to do the salary adjustment, what he loves too is having the option to enter in an adjustment amount or the percentage. So he'll come in and go ahead and update the percentage as he knows that she's getting a 40% increase. And what you're seeing here is the power of being able to have automatic alerts be prompted based off of the salary increase that he provided. So because it is out of the pay range, what you're seeing here is a soft stop, letting him know that, hey, this is outside the salary range, so should you be continuing forward? So having the ability to have soft and hard stops within these transactions is really powerful for your managers and allows them to be more proactive when completing these transactions. Having the ability to have some nice visualizations around the salary and the pay ranges of the actual positions that they're promoting them into, and then also having the ability to add comments and attachments within that transaction. So after submitting the promotion for Haixing Wei, he's going to get a nice confirmation that tells him that, hey, now that you've promoted Haixing Wei, you might want to go ahead and open a requisition for that actual position now that there's a vacancy. So again, having those proactive prompts is very powerful for me as a manager to help me be more productive. But before he goes in to open up that requisition, he wants to head over to his learning area, which is really his one-stop shop for learning. So as he goes over to learning, he wants to take care of some pending memberships that he needs to take care of. He's able to come in here for any of that traditional learning or required learning that he needs to take care of, but right now he's really focused on his learning communities. So learning communities is something that Inspire has rolled out across the organization that has been really powerful to help promote social collaboration across the organization. So as he comes in here to drill into the HR leadership, the power of learning sees all data within the HCM Cloud is really empowering. So what that means is based off of that promotion Haixing Wei was given, she was automatically enrolled into that community. Where that can become more powerful too is having the ability to, let's say, based off of someone's performance review, and let's say they were a low performer, having automatic learning pushed out to them to help improve them in that role, as well as having the ability to push out training to new hires. So that's where the power of learning sees all data within the solution, and the rules engine that's built into our HCM Cloud is really empowering. So the next thing that Robert needs to take care of is he needs to go ahead and open that requisition for the recent vacancy with Haixing Wei's promotion. So Robert is going to head over to his hiring area to take care of this transaction. What he loves most is having everything all in one place, and the ease of opening a requisition is as simple as 3 steps. He has the ability to come in and choose an existing template, and from there, everything is going to default and populate based off the template that he's selected. This makes it very simple and fast and efficient for him to get this completed. So if Robert needed to make any changes to the actual template itself, it's as easy as changing the fields that he needs to update. Robert reviews his candidate lists for his open HR service desk operator and notices that he has 2 recommended candidates. Adaptive intelligence is matching the best fit prospects to requisitions, which is a huge benefit for your recruiters and managers as they are no longer having to spend time scouring resumes. The solution is doing it for them and serving up the best candidates for the job. So Robert Jackman has an offer letter that's been extended to one of his candidates for the HR service desk. And so he wants to go in and take a quick preview of that offer letter. What he likes is how he's able to do that right from in his workspace. So he can head into the HR service desk operator and look at his active applications, and from there go directly into Hannah's offer letter. He's easily able to preview it to make sure that all the details that needed to be included in that offer letter have been included. Now that Robert's taking care of previewing that offer letter, he wants to head over to his onboarding tasks to make sure that he has everything up to date and that his new hires that are coming on board have completed what they need to and nothing's overdue. What he loves is that it's a nice, clean look and feel and that he's able to see all of his new hires in one place. From here, he's able to also, on the fly from his mobile device, make changes to maybe reassign a task. So if he has an employee starting on the upcoming Monday, and let's say he's going to be out of the office, he's able to come in and reassign that to make sure that someone's meeting and greeting his new hire on their first day. The other thing that Robert likes is having the ability to look at all of his new candidates that are coming on board, and he has nice alerts letting him know if there's anything that's overdue, as well as having the ability to go in and send out reminders to the employees to make sure things are getting done on time. The last thing Robert wants to do before he heads out for the day is head over to his analytics dashboard. From here, he's able to get real-time stats on things that are important to him at any given time. He's able to also drill into these reports to take action if he needed to. Robert loves having all of this at his fingertips from his mobile device. It allows him to be much more proactive in nature and stay ahead with his team. What you've seen today is the power of our complete Oracle HCM Cloud solution that is built for the future with capabilities such as a unified experience, digital assistant, and conversational user interface. To learn more, please visit us at oracle.com/HCM.